Imagine transforming your abs in just 3 simple steps, all scientifically backed. Want to know the secret that many bodybuilders and athletes use to achieve those chiseled abs? Stay with me until the end of this video, and you'll discover exactly how to reach this goal efficiently and healthily. This plan is what you need to change your life forever.
Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Phill Kanne, your guide to a healthier and fitter life. Today, I'll share with you the best evidence-based plan to get those ripped abs we all desire. Ready to start? Let's go! Have you ever thought about how your diet can be the key to achieving the abs of your dreams? The first step is to adjust your diet. This means consuming nutrient-rich foods, controlling your calorie intake, and ensuring you're getting the right amount of protein. Studies show that a balanced diet is essential for reducing abdominal fat. Imagine planning your meals with high-fiber foods like vegetables and fresh fruits, lean proteins like chicken, fish, and legumes, and whole grains like quinoa and brown rice. These foods not only help keep you full longer, but also provide the necessary nutrients for muscle growth and fat loss. Moreover, it's important to monitor your calorie intake. A calorie deficit is crucial for weight loss, which means consuming fewer calories than you burn. But be careful. This doesn't mean you should starve yourself. Instead, focus on making smart food choices that keep you nourished and energized. Have you heard about the importance of protein in your diet? Proteins are essential for building and repairing muscle tissues, especially when you're training regularly. Studies show that adequate protein intake can increase metabolism and reduce hunger, aiding in weight loss and muscle definition. So why not start including more lean proteins like eggs, Greek yogurt, and tofu in your daily meals? Another crucial point is the distribution of macronutrients throughout the day. Splitting your meals into smaller, more frequent portions can help keep your metabolism active and prevent hunger spikes that lead to poor food choices. Have you thought about including healthy snacks like nuts, seeds, or a piece of fruit between main meals? What's your take on this? Write in the comments, I'll read them all. And we can't forget about hydration. Drinking enough water throughout the day is vital for proper metabolism and overall health. Additionally, thirst is often mistaken for hunger, leading to unnecessary calorie consumption. So keep a water bottle nearby and drink regularly. Another valuable tip is to avoid excessive consumption of sugars and refined carbohydrates. They are quickly converted into glucose in the blood, which can lead to abdominal fat storage. Opt for complex carbohydrates like sweet potatoes, oats, and legumes that provide energy gradually and sustainably. Let's talk a bit about the importance of healthy fats. Include sources of good fats in your diet, like avocados, olive oil, nuts, and fatty fish like salmon. These fats are essential for hormone production and brain health, and they help keep you satisfied. Have you tried keeping a food diary? Recording everything you eat throughout the day can be a powerful tool for identifying eating patterns and making necessary adjustments. There are various apps available that make this process easier and provide valuable insights into your diet. Remember, balanced eating isn't about deprivation, but about balance. Allow yourself to enjoy your favorite foods in moderation without guilt. The key is finding a sustainable and enjoyable eating pattern in the long term. Now, picture yourself at the gym, lifting weights and strengthening your body. The second step is incorporating strength training into your routine. It's not just about doing endless crunches. In fact, compound exercises like squats, deadlifts, and planks are extremely effective for building muscle and burning fat. Let's understand why compound exercises are so important. They recruit multiple muscle groups simultaneously, increasing your workout's efficiency. For example, when you do a squat, you're working not only your leg muscles, but also your abs, glutes, and lower back. This type of exercise burns more calories and promotes full body strengthening. Additionally, compound exercises help improve your posture and overall strength. Good posture is essential not only for spinal health, but also for the appearance of your abs. When you maintain an upright posture, your abdominal muscles are more visible and defined. Did you know that the plank is one of the most effective exercises for abs? This simple but challenging exercise activates all the muscles in the abdominal region, including the obliques and transverse abdominis. It also strengthens the stabilizing muscles, crucial for performing other exercises and preventing injuries. Another important tip is progression in your training. As you gain strength, it's essential to increase the load and intensity of your exercises to keep challenging your muscles. This can be done by adding more weight, increasing the number of repetitions, or incorporating exercise variations. Don't forget about specific abdominal exercises. Besides compounds, it's important to include movements like crunches, leg raises, and Russian twists to work all angles of the abs. The key is variety and consistency. Have you tried functional training? It combines movements that simulate daily activities, improving not only strength, but also coordination, flexibility, and endurance. This type of training can be extremely effective for abdominal definition, as it heavily involves the core region. Another effective strategy is high-intensity interval training, HIIT. It combines short periods of intense exercise with rest or light activity periods. This type of workout not only burns many calories in a short time, but also boosts metabolism for several hours after exercise. Imagine having a workout that continues to burn calories even after you finish. And for those days when you can't make it to the gym, how about a home workout? There are countless ways to exercise your abs using just your body weight, such as crunches, planks, and Pilates exercises. The important thing is not to stop moving, even if time or resources are limited. This information is golden, huh? Click like if you enjoyed it. Finally, the third step, consistency and rest. Did you know that muscles are built during rest? That's right. Having a proper sleep routine and allowing your body to recover between workouts is crucial. Consistency is key to any body transformation. It's no use following a strict diet and an intense workout plan for a week and then giving up. You need to maintain a continuous commitment to your goals. This means planning your meals, sticking to your workout schedule, and regularly monitoring your progress. When we talk about rest, we're not just referring to sleep. Of course, a good night's sleep is fundamental for muscle recovery and overall body function. Studies indicate that adults should sleep between 7 to 9 hours per night to optimize recovery and physical performance. Additionally, active rest is important too. This can include light activities like walking, stretching, or yoga, which help increase blood flow and reduce muscle stiffness without putting excessive strain on the body. These activities can speed up recovery and improve flexibility, which is beneficial for strength training. Let's talk a bit about the impact of stress on the body. Chronic stress can increase cortisol levels, a hormone associated with abdominal fat accumulation. Stress management techniques, such as meditation, deep breathing, and relaxing hobbies, can be extremely helpful in keeping your cortisol levels in check and promoting an environment more conducive to fat loss. Imagine your ideal workout and rest routine. Perhaps you like to train in the morning and reserve evenings for relaxing and disconnecting. Or maybe you prefer to work out after work, releasing the accumulated stress of the day. The important thing is to find a balance that works for you and can be maintained in the long term. Don't forget the importance of hydration. Drinking enough water is essential for physical performance and muscle recovery. Water helps transport nutrients to muscles and eliminate toxins from the body. So make sure you're drinking at least 2 liters of water a day or more if you're training intensely. Another fundamental aspect is professional guidance. Having the support of a nutritionist and a trainer can make a huge difference in your progress. These professionals can tailor your plan to your individual needs and help maintain motivation and discipline. Have you thought about how small changes in routine can have a big impact? Simple things like taking the stairs instead of the elevator, walking instead of driving to nearby places, or even doing a brief stretching session during work can contribute to your fitness journey. For those who struggle to find time to train, how about splitting the workout throughout the day? Even short sessions of 10 to 15 minutes can be effective if done with intensity. The important thing is to stay active and avoid long periods of inactivity. Let's also talk about the importance of social support. Having friends or family who share the same health and fitness goals can be incredibly motivating. Joining workout groups, collective classes, or even sharing your progress on social media can increase accountability and keep you motivated. Now that you know the 3 simple steps to achieve chiseled abs, how about discovering how to maximize fat loss with cardio? In the next video, I'll show you scientifically proven methods to boost your results. Don't miss it!